How is everyone doing today? Welcome back to Carey Collects. In today's episode, we are opening up 2021-2022 Series 1 hockey in a retail box. In this product, we are looking at 6 Young Guns, maybe 3 canvases. They have electromagnetics, debut dates, dazzlers in blue, red and pink, a day with the cup, which would be really nice. I think we should just dig right into this. Comes with 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box, so there is going to be a lot of cards in this. We are looking for Trevor Zegras, since we haven't got him yet, or Cole Caulfield, since we've got neither of them yet. But let's get right into it. Jared McCann, Clayton Keller, Nicholas Backstrom, got 100p in the back, Torrey Krug, 100p is of Austin Matthews, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Jack Hughes, Jack Eichel. Jesse Puljujarvi, Andre Palat, Marcus Nekas, and it looks like a red Dazzlers of Alex DeBrincat. Got Charlie Coyle in the back, Shea Weber, Sean Monahan, Kasperi Kapanen. All right, we got Brett Peace, Alex Iafallo, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Brad Marchand, portraits of Semyon Varlamov. We got Dylan Strome, Cal Peterson. No Young Guns yet. Patrice Bergeron, Tyler Toffoli, Milan Lucic. Got our first Young Gun of Rasmus Kupari. Ekholm, Chichiran, Jesper Bratt, Tyler Johnson. We got a Sidney Crosby base, Carter Hart, Andre Vasilevsky, Jack Campbell, a McDavid. Connor McMichael, debut dates. Wow. Mario Ferrero, Nylander, Wheeler. Tristan Jarry, Kevin Lankinen, Trevor Moore, Thomas Greiss, Kirby Dach, Canvas, Jake Allen, Adam Fox, and Vladimir Tarasenko. Canvas, Kirby Dach. I haven't pulled too much of Kirby Dach. Jacob Voracek, Brendan Gallagher, Ethan Bear, another Young Guns of Tanner Lazinski for the Flyers. Tim Stützle, Oscar Lindblom, Miles Wood, Riley Smith. I think that's a second year for Tim Stützle, so I kept it. Doesn't hurt. Does not hurt. We have Brent Burns, Alex Kerfoot, Mark Scheifele, and a Kyle Connor superstar for the Jets. Dadonov, JT Miller, Morrissey, Mackenzie Weegar. Johnny Gaudreau, Philip Zadina, Thatcher Demko, Matthew Tkachuk, and Alexander Barkov canvas. Chris Kreider, Anders Lee, Marc-Andre Fleury. Josh Norris, I think that's a second year card. Travis Konechny, Ty Smith, debut dates Alexander Romanov, Ryan Pulock, John Tavares, checklist to Jack Hughes and Lafreniere, and another Stützle second year. Well, we're still shy on our Young Guns. Only 2 out of hopefully 6 or 7. Something looks maybe like a Young Gun canvas here. Connor McDavid, Juryanov, Gabriel Landeskog, Ivan Shekovich, Young Gun Canvas for San Jose. Roman Yossi, Drew Doughty, Martin Jones, Tanner Pearson. So hopefully we're getting 7 Young Guns. With that canvas Young Gun. We got Jonathan Marchessault, Capo Caco, Nick Leddy, Elias Pettersson, Jackson Cates for the Flyer. It's a Young Gun. Oscar Lindbaum, Miles Wood, Riley Smith. Okay, maybe halfway through the box. We got Justin Schultz, former Oiler, John Gibson, Jacob Silverberg. We got a Patrick Laine, electromagnetic. Rasmus Anderson, Jacob Verana, Jared Spurgeon, and Danny DeKaiser. Looks like a red Dazzler. Adam Lowry, Carter Verhaeghe, JGP, Morgan Riley, Spencer Knight Dazzler. It's actually a nice card. Dazzler Spencer Knight. We will take that. TJ Brody, Justin Hall, Jeff Carter. Joel Farabee, Jordan Stahl, Chandler Stevenson, Seth Jones, another Young Gun of Marian Studnik for the Devils, Rolzovic, Duncan Keith, and Dylan Cousins for a second-year card. Jason Robertson, Kirill Kaprizov, Devon Taves, Jake DeBrusk, UD Portraits of Nathan McKinnon, Jeff Petrie, Mikko Koskinen, Noah Hanfin, and Jeff Archibald. Josh Anderson, Lars Eller, Dylan DeMello, another canvas of Cale Yarncrook, William Karlsson, Keandre Miller, Kirill Kaprizov, and Jonathan Huberdeau. UC Saros, Jordan Binnington, Anthony Cirelli, Miro Heiskanen with electromagnetic for the Stars. Got Niels Hoglander, Sebastian Aho, Darnell Nurse. All right, getting down to the bare minimum. We got Nico Hischier, Rasmus Dahlin, Victor Arvidsson, Michael Bunting, Jeremy Swayman and a superstar for the Bruins, Nazem Kadri, Sergei Bobrovsky, Mikhail Sergachev. We got Artemi Panarin, Josh Bailey, JT Comfort, Chris Tierney. We got a Morgan Barron Young Guns for the Rangers. There's 2 cards. No. We got Cale Makar base, Vitek Vanacek, and Adam Henrique for the Ducks. Nicolas Desjardins, Kevin LeBlanc, Dominic Kubalik, Austin Matthews in a canvas. We got Troy Terry, Claude Giroux, Adam Boquist, and Shea Theodore for the Golden Knights. 2. Mackenzie Blackwood, Victor Hedman, Matt Zuccarello, Simon Varlamov, Zach Parise is our Hundy P for the Wild. Alex Nedjolovic, Jacob Slavin, Andre Kempe. All right, last 2 packs. This one opened fairly easy. Got a Blue Dazzler, Zach Werenski, Sean Walker, Rasmus Ristolainen, Alexander Radulov, Jacob Chitrin, Elvis Merzlikins, Joel Edmondson, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Our last pack. Hopefully it's a good young gun here. We got Braden Shen, Thomas Chabot, Bo Horvat, and a Joshua Dunn Young Guns for the Blue Jackets. We got Nicholas Halmarson, Charlie McAvoy, Jake Gensel, and Kevin Hayes. Okay, well that sums up the break for today. We got our 7 Young Guns out of that. Lots of hits, just like all the Series 1 product and Series 2 product. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, give me a like, give me a follow, leave in the comments what you'd like me to open up next. Thank you so much.